In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text bigger in Scribus. Now to do this, first of course you want to create a text box, or as they call it, text frame. So go ahead and click on here and then draw it out and then basically type in some text, okay? So just like this, as you can see, if you want to make your text bigger, there's a few ways to do this. The first one is going to be to highlight over your text, right click it and click on the content properties down here at the bottom. Now in here you can see you can change the size over here, so we can just delete this and type in, for example, 20, press enter on the keyboard, and there we go, we've changed our text size. Okay, it's now bigger. Now of course you could also go to edit, top left, with the text selected, then go to edit text with story editor, and then in here you can do the same thing. You can just hover over the text to select it and you can change the size over here. So I'm going to do 30, press enter, and then you have to click on this check mark, and there we go, the text is now bigger. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.